Choosing the right mulch for your garden is a lot like choosing the right garden tool for a job. Now, when I think about mulches, I think about all the varieties there are. There are fine mulches like shredded leaves, all the way to really heavy ones like wood bark. When I'm thinking about mulching around my flower beds or roses, I really go to something that can decompose, like a shredded leaf, because after it decomposes, I can just till it into the soil. Now, if I want to put something around my trees, like my trees or shrubs, I'm going to go closer to a heavier bark, also that would work well on paths. This way, after a season, I can clear it away and then replenish it. Now, also keep in mind how much area you have to cover, because the larger the area, maybe you want to go to a heavier bark. Also, think about what you're mulching. In this instance, we have pine needles around camellias and azaleas that love acid. Depending on your area, you're going to have certain mulches available, so you want to look into it and see what's best for you.